Welcome. My name is Christopher Bailey, and I am an implementation consultant for Green Orbit, the intranet with everything built in. In today's module, we will do an overview of security. We will cover the different levels, their meaning, and how to apply that security throughout the intranet site. First, let's look at the different security levels and their meaning. We have deny access, which access is denied to an item or throughout the entire intranet site. Next, read-only access. This is a security feature that is widely used by organizations for their website users who are simply going to be just reading content only. Next, we have the creator. Now, the creator can create content, i.e., pages and documents, but can only delete and edit that content that they have created. Content that is created by the creator will need to be approved in applications where an approval process is implemented. A creator cannot change the site structure, and they cannot set security. Next we have is contributor. Now the contributor can create content just like the creator can. The content that is created will need to be approved in an application where an approval process is implemented, just like for the creator. The contributor cannot change the site structure, neither can they set security. However, a contributor can also contribute to content that the creator themselves have created. Next, you have the editor. Now, the editor can do all of the above, like the creator and the contributor. However, the editor can create, edit, and delete sections of the site structure. They can also approve content, but they cannot set security. Then finally, you have your full control user. I think it goes without saying what a full control user can do. A full control user can do all of the above and set security levels. Now that we have learned the various security levels and their meaning, let's take a deeper look into how we would actually apply these security levels throughout our intranet site. Now, this is where I may want to make some security changes right here on the front end for, say, the home site. And I want to give somebody some access. So first, the way I would do this is by clicking on Edit and then going to Live. When I get here, I will see that my security is located here in the top toolbar. So I click on Security, and then I see all of the individuals that have access to this particular home site. And I also see their security role. What I want to do here is I want to change someone's security. So let's say I want to make Miss Sanders, I want to give her full control user access. So again, just kind of like what I do on the back end, I check the box next to her name. I go to her security level and I want to give her full control access. Now you see here that she has full control because I changed it on the front end. Notice here that you see inherited next to everyone else's name. That is because the security measure that we set on the home site in the back end at the highest level, the top of the hierarchy, has inherited here. She was not inherited. I made her change on the front end. Now let's just say that I want to add someone else to this particular site and I want to give them access. So let's say I want to do Angus here. Click on Angus. You see here it gives us the ability to add, but then we also have the ability to change his access. I want to make him an editor. Click on Add. You see here he's been added and now he's an editor. When I click Save, as I'm saving my changes, when I go back to the front end, you see here of the changes that have been made. Amy is now a full control user and Angus is an editor. We will save all of these as we made these changes, published it live, made changes, security changes, and we click save. It's very important that you do this because even though you've made the changes here on the security, you also have to save the changes as well for it to go live on the site. So it's very important that you do that. Now, we've done this on the front end. This is just giving you security measures on the site. You can also make security changes on folders and pages and even documents and images. You can lock down your site or you can make your site as open as you see fit. So if we go here to publish, you see here that we have our folders here. So if I want to make some security changes to these particular folders, I click on the box next to the folder that I want to make changes to, and then I can edit the properties. You see here when I take it to the properties, it takes me right back here to the folder level, and then I have the ability to make the changes to my security on the folder level. Okay, cancel out of here. You also have the ability here to edit at the very top level of this folder, and everything within it will then inherit those changes. Let's just say that I go into my company folder and then I want to make changes to a particular document. Same rules apply, it's just a different format in how you would conduct it. Now, if I want to make security changes, go to my page and I go to edit, you see here it gives me the option to go to live. And when I go to live, let me close this out here. If I go to live, I see my security feature, which is here. And then I have the ability to manage my security here. That is how simple it is to change and manage your security levels within Green Orbit. This concludes our training session for this module. For more information on Green Orbit and its functionality, please visit our Learn site at learn.greenorbit.com. Thank you so very much, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video.